So guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your YouTube channel and verify your YouTube channel. So what you just have to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And one of my subscribers asked about this video. So if you are watching this video, you need to watch it to the end to know what you have to do. So the first thing we have to do now is to go to our YouTube channel. Let me show you how you can create your YouTube channel and verify your YouTube channel. So once your YouTube channel dashboard open or homepage open like this, log in with your Gmail account and click on your profile. When you click on your profile, if you don't have any current channel, you'll be seeing create channel. That is what you'll be seeing. But since I have already created a YouTube channel, or since I have a YouTube channel already, I'm seeing view your channel here. So which is something you are not expecting, but this is what I'm seeing on my own. For you, you might just be seeing create your channel. So the next thing we have to do now is to click on the part where it says switch account. I'll click on switch account and it's going to pop this up. You need to click below where it said view all channel. YouTube have an option now that you can use to create multiple channel with only one Gmail account. So what I have to do now is to click on the part where it said view all channel. I will click on that now. So it's going to open up this and you are going to see the channel that you have that have been verified. And what we have to do on this video now is to create a new channel. So I will click on the part where it said create a channel. I will click on that now and it's going to pop this up. Here we are going to choose a name that we want to use on this our YouTube channel. You can use your name or you can use the name of the product or service that you want to be posting on this your YouTube channel. So for me, I'm just going to use my name. So this is the name that I have choose. I choose Chris Nelson Good. So I'm just going to click on that. I understand. I am creating new Google account or new YouTube channel. You just need to click on that. You understand here. And you need to click on the part here it said create. So congratulations, you now have a YouTube channel. So now that you have a YouTube channel, the next thing we have to do is to go and customize this our YouTube channel. So you can go and add in like a profile picture. You can add in a banner for that your YouTube channel, which is what I'm going to show you on this video. So just keep on watching because this is going to be good for me and you. So like I'm saying, if you are enjoying this video, only what I will ask from you is to just hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel. This will really help me a lot to grow on YouTube, and it will still help those people who is looking for this type of video. So the algorithm will post this video to go and land on the page of those people who is looking for this type of video. So if you enjoy it, just leave me comments. And if you want me to make any video about anything, just ask me that in the comment section. If it's something I know how to do, I will make the video for you. If it's something I don't know anything about, I will still tell you that this is not something I can do. So I'm very honest and transparent on this my YouTube channel. So we are here to help each other. So let us go to how we can now verify our YouTube channel. So what you have to do is to click on your profile here. So once you click on your profile, what you need to do is to click on the part here it said switch account again. Once you click on it, you'll be seeing your own channel here, which is Chris Nelson Good. Click on it. So once you have clicked on it, it's going to take you to this page and you'll be seeing that it's asking you to add a profile picture if you want to add. But I want you to just manage this your YouTube channel in a proper way. So what we have to do is to click on the part here it said customize channel. Click on customize channel here and it's going to take you to YouTube Studio. You're going to say welcome to YouTube Studio. Click on continue and you are going to be seeing all these whole things here. You'll be seeing layouts, like if you want to customize your homepage on YouTube, like your profile on YouTube, and if you want to do like branding, you want to add in logo, you want to add in like a banner, YouTube banner on that your YouTube channel, which is 20 by 48 pixel by 1152 pixel. So that is what you can use as a banner, and your profile picture will be like almost 4 MB the size, and the 98 by 98 size of the profile picture if you want to upload them. And they have something like they call like a watermark. If you want to have a watermark on that your YouTube channel, you can do that by uploading it here. So watermark are things that is showing like this. So this is a watermark. You see, this is my video. This is a YouTube watermark that I uploaded on my YouTube channel. So if I upload any watermark here now, it's going to be showing like this on YouTube. So this is how it's going to be showing when people are watching my video. So it's going to be reminding them to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that is just to show you what watermark look like if you want to customize your channel. And once you click on basic information here, it's going to open this up, and here is going to allow you to create a customized handle. So what people are going to be searching, let us say for example, I go to YouTube and I search for www.youtube/Chris Nelson Good, and they click on enter, my channel is going to display. That is how it works, and it's going to open for me. So if I want to create a customized handle, I just need to click that here, and I will say Chris Nelson will be my handle. And as you can see, Chris Nelson Good is available. You'll be seeing this dot at the ending of this your channel handle here. Is letting you know that this handle is available. So once you like it, you can click publish, and this will now be what people are going to be using to tag you. If anyone wants to tag you on YouTube, they just need to type in like Chris Nelson Good. You know, I'm just using Chris Nelson Good for me. For you, you just need to choose your name here. And once you are done with that, you can click on publish if you want to publish it. And if you want to change this name, you have 14 days, you know, look at it here. So you have 14 days to change this handle if you have any problem that you want to change it. So if you want to change it, you have 14 days to change it. So once it's 40 days, you have another 14 days to change it if you are doing changes on your name. So I don't like changing name on YouTube. And the first name here, this is the name you are going to be answering, but this is what is going to be showing to your audience. You know, this your handle is what is going to be showing as a link on that your channel. So that is just what I want to talk about. You can enter the description of what you are talking about on that YouTube channel here. You can come here, select the language you are really speaking on that YouTube channel, and at the bottom here, you are going to find a customized URL of that YouTube channel. You can add like a social media link if you want to add them, and you can add a business email. Let us say that your YouTube channel start growing and you want to be making money from it. You can just come here and add in the Gmail account that you want people to be using to contact you if you want to collaborate or make money, like for sponsoring and sponsorship or sponsoring people on that your YouTube channel. So that is everything you need to know about that. If you are okay with it, you have entered all the whole information. You just need to click on publish, and that is all, and you are good to go. So the next thing we have to do now is to verify our YouTube channel, which is what I'm going to show you now. How to verify it? What you have to do is to click on the part where it said settings here at the bottom. So once you click on settings, you need to click on the part where it said channel. And once you click on channel, come here and select your country. This is the first part. Come here and select your country that you are living in currently. And here you are going to add in keyword of what you are really talking about. Let us say you are talking about make money online. You can just come here and type in make money online. So once you enter that, you click on enter from your computer, and you can type in like affiliate if you are talking about affiliate product on that your website or affiliate marketing. If you are good with that, you can just click on save. But since we are not done with all the settings here, we just need to click on the part where it said advanced settings. Make sure that you set your channel that this channel is not meant for kids. Why? Because when you start monetizing this your website with Google AdSense, it's going to you are going to lose a lot of money, because they are going to be showing like children stuff on that your YouTube channel, which means things that will not even make you money. So to avoid this and make more money, you need to make sure you set this your channel. No, set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that is made for kids. So I will click on that now, and if you are okay with that, it's good. And here you are going to add in linking your Google Ad account. If you have one, you can add it here. And that is everything that you just need to look at. You need to allow clips content so that people can clips your video and upload it on their channel. Is something that will still help you to get more eyeballs from other people. And once you come to this other section, which is feature eligibility, click on feature eligibility here. These 3 steps are how you can verify your YouTube channel. So if you want your YouTube channel to start running smoothly, you need to make sure that you have these 3 options enabled. You need to make sure that you verify them. You can see that it's enabled. This one is eligible, so which means we need to enable it. And to enable it, all you just need to do is to click on here, and you need to verify your phone number to enable this. Why you should do this? What is the benefit of you doing this? When you do this, you'll be able to upload video that is longer than 15 minutes, and you'll be able to do a customized thumbnail for that your video, and you'll be able to be going live. So that is why you need to verify your phone number when you create your YouTube channel. So to do that, you just need to click on the part where it said verify phone number, and it's going to take you to the next step where we are going to verify your phone number. Let us say I click on verify phone number here now. It's going to take us to this page here. And once it brings us here, it's going to be asking us our phone number, and they are going to send us the code, and we are going to enter the code here, and our YouTube channel will be verified and will be allowed or be enabled to upload video that is longer than 15 minutes. So enter your country here, or select your country, enter your phone number, and click on send code. Another page is going to pop up. You are going to enter the code that is sent to you, and your YouTube channel will be allowed to upload video that is longer than 15 minutes. So once you have done that, the last part is that you need to verify your channel. So this last part is what is very, very important that people are not aware of. This will really help you to do a lot of things. It will help you to appeal for people who is claiming your video. It will help you to upload more videos daily, and it will help you to upload more short daily, to help you to get more embedded live stream on that your YouTube channel. So there's a lot of things that you can do when you verify your YouTube channel. So which is this part here. This part, you can choose one of these 3 options. So you can verify your channel with a video verification, which you are just going to make a video of 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and you send it to YouTube, and that is what they are going to use to verify your YouTube channel with your face. Or you can use ID verification, which means you are going to upload your passport ID, or you are going to upload a driver's license. Those documents have to be valid, so it's not documents that have expired. If you don't want to use any one of these 2 methods, you can use the 3rd method, which is channel history. Channel history is like, let us say you create a YouTube channel and you start uploading video every single day, and you upload video in the duration of 30 days or 60 days, which is 2 months. So your channel is going to be verified because you are active and people are watching your video, and you are getting organic traffic to that your YouTube channel. Automatically in 2 months or before 2 months, your channel is going to be verified by YouTube, even when you don't enter any document, driver's license or passport, or even upload your face on YouTube. So if your channel is getting organic traffic and you are really getting views, subscribers, and is growing every day, YouTube is going to verify your YouTube channel. So that is how you can verify your YouTube channel if you are finding it difficult to do that. And that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. So I will say thank you very much if you watch this video to the end. So only what I will ask from you right now is for you to just hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can just click on this video that will pop up right now. I will say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video. I hope that it helped you, for those of you who is looking for this type of video. So leave me that comment.